In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple trick on how to have two Monopoly Go accounts on one device. This is especially helpful if you're looking to manage multiple accounts without having to switch devices constantly. So let's dive right in and make your gaming experience even more flexible. The first thing you'll need is two different Facebook accounts. This is crucial because you cannot link two Monopoly Go accounts to the same Facebook profile. If you only have one account at this point, don't worry, just take a moment to create a second Facebook account. Make sure both your accounts are set up and ready to go before moving on to the next step. Once you've got both Facebook accounts sorted out, go ahead and open the Monopoly Go app on your device. When you're on the main screen, you'll want to tap on the three horizontal lines you see at the top right corner of your screen. This is generally known as the menu icon. From there, navigate to the settings section. Within settings, look for the option that says Manage Account. Here, you'll find a choice to connect to Facebook. If you're already logged in with your first Facebook account, you'll need to tap Disconnect so that you can log in with your second account. But wait, before you go ahead and connect that second account, there's an important pre-step you should follow to make sure everything runs smoothly. If you're using an Android device, locate the Monopoly Go app icon on your home screen or app drawer and perform a long press on it. This should bring up a menu where you can tap App Info. From there, head over to Storage, and within this menu, you'll see an option that says Clear Data. Now don't let this alarm you. Clearing the data won't delete your game progress. It just wipes the local files, so you can start fresh and be ready to log in with another account. Having completed these steps, go ahead and open Monopoly Go again. This time, when you connect your second Facebook account, it should go through without a hitch. And there you have it. You now have two separate Monopoly Go accounts on the same device. And that's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Keep your game rolling and enjoy the flexibility of managing two accounts with ease.